Guys, this is BrianB again today with a daily recap. Haven't been able to do any recaps. Been busy at work. And did trade last Thursday. Took max loss. Only had like 30 minutes before I had to go somewhere. Tried to rush some things, so wasn't in the right mindset, and took a max loss of $111, not counting commission and fees. I didn't trade Friday. I didn't have time. I did trade yesterday. I was able to get $199, not counting commission and fees, but it wasn't able to do a video on the trade. Anyway, today's trade was ENDP. I had it on watch list. It's been downtrending for some time, so I was looking for maybe a continuation of it fading away. I didn't see it. I had it on another screen, so I didn't catch this early part of this move, but I did notice at around 12 when this pop-up above VWAP on the 1 minute and the 5 minute caught my attention. So I was watching it, knew it was a pretty weak stock, knew that it was probably going to continue to fade, so I decided to get right in here. Saw this doji on this 5 minute, jumped right in, was going to risk right above that 5 minute high right there. Basically, I got in at 956. I was risking about 4 cents. My first target was previous close right here. Put an order out for half. I got 1,800 shares. I know y'all see the amount of volume down here, but those candles are like 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, so plenty of volume for me to get out with 1,800 shares. Put half order out, actually 800 right there. Was able to get filled. My next order was right here below a day, 1.5. Got filled there. And there was some resistance on the daily right down here at 930. Took another half. And still in it. Actually still in it. Right here, still in it. I realized and unrealized. I only got about 346 shares left. I'm gonna hold this last bit of shares. See what happens. If it pops back up here, I'll get out. But anyway, we're looking at profit. Was risking right here. Let's look at 5 minutes. Risking that 4 cents. My first target was 10 cents. My second target was 15 cents. And the third target was 25 cents. And I'm still holding another quarter of the shares right now. So basically, you're looking at a risk of 4 cents, about 25 cents out of the move with all the partials. Pretty good trade. Anyway, that's my trade for today. Thank you guys.